You can be free. You can live and work anywhere in the world. You can be independent from routine and not answer to anybody. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another live trading session with yours truly, the ultimate trader. On today's trading session, I will be trying a new strategy that I came up with while experimenting with different trading tools. I called it To the Moon, Boom Crash, Semi-Automated Strategy. The indicators and expert advisors used have been developed by Ultimate Trader using an online-based developing tool. Sit back, relax, and allow me to boost your trading IQ. I will begin by installing the MetaTrader 5 indicators and expert advisor files. As usual, you copy and paste the files to their respective folder. Follow my steps in case you are not familiar with installing MetaTrader 5 trading tools. We will be using two indicators, Renko Trend Adaptive and RSI Trend Space Filter. Install them on the indicators folder on your MT5. The strategy also uses two MT5 robots, one for buy entries only and the other one for sell entries only. Install them on the experts folder on your MT5. Close the data folder and at the top of your MT5 click on View, scroll down and click on Navigator to open the MT5 panel where you access all the installed tools. Right-click on the Navigator panel and click on Refresh to load all the new installed files. Locate the installed indicators. I will start by loading the Renko Adaptive Trend Indicator, used for filtering real-time trend movement. Next I will attach the RSI Trend Space Indicator to the chart, used for comparing the magnitude of the market recent gains to the magnitude of its recent losses. To evaluate overbought or oversold points in a market, attach Candle Timer Indicator to monitor time left until next candle. Save the template to use it on other markets too. Use the same template on all the 4 boom crash markets. All the necessary indicators for trend scalping has been added. You can as well add your own trend scalping indicators for more accuracy. The remaining part is to attach the 2 buy and sell robots. This is a trend following strategy on boom and crash, which means I will be buying in crash and selling in boom. And I will be crossing my fingers that I don't get hit by the spike. So,
the game plan is you go in there, hit them with some good shit, don't get hit, and come home with a pocket full of cash.
Let the boom crash semi-auto trading begin. This strategy works best in 5 minutes time frame to 15 minutes time frame. I will be using 5 minutes time frame on this video. Load the sell robot on boom index market when the adaptive Renko trend is showing downtrend momentum in red color. Load the buy robot on crash index market when the adaptive Renko trend is showing upward momentum in green color. You can set your preferred take profit points or set them manually using the previous highs and lows. I will be sharing my preferred set files. On the charts, I'm running the sell robot on boom 500 index chart and the buy robot on crash 500 index chart. I confirm the trend with the Renko adaptive trend indicator. The robot opens a new trade after every 5 minutes. Trading with the trend doesn't necessarily mean a spike will not happen, but the magnitude will be small when it happens in most cases. It's recommended to run the robots when the RSI space filter indicator is also following the trend. Less spikes happen. When a spike happens, the robot will pause taking the trade in the next 5 minutes, like it has happened in crash 500 index. The DA will execute a trade after trend is confirmed by at least one candle, to avoid getting hit by the spike twice. In boom 500 and crash 500 I set take profit to 50 points at least, and in boom 1000 and crash 1000 I set the take profit to 1000 points. I prefer using bigger lots instead of predicting big movements. Every 5 minutes look for perfect trend setups to run the robots. Pause auto trading when the Renko trend adaptive gives opposite trend pattern. 2 trades executed by the robots. Sell on boom 500 index and buy in crash 500 index. Allow the robot to open the trades as long as the Renko adaptive indicator aligns to the current trend. The green and red dotted spots indicates uptrend and downtrend's momentum. Trades closed in profit, making approximately $1 every 5 minutes easily. When the Renko adaptive indicator detects a trend change, pause auto trading and detach the robot from the chart. Good condition to run the moon by a robot on Crash 500 index. Renko trend adaptive indicator showing uptrend pattern, and the RSI space filter is blue indicating uptrend momentum. When you see such conditions, attach the EA to the chart and wait every 5 minutes to steal some pips from the market. 50 points automatically closed in profit within a minute. These robots can also be used to catch spikes on boom and crash index markets. Run the sell robot on crash index market when there is a downtrend momentum. When Renko adaptive trend and RSI space filter are indicating downtrend momentum, there is a high probability of spikes happening. More live trading tutorial on catching spikes on the next video after this. A good uptrend setup on Crash 1000 index. The Renko adaptive trend is green showing upward movement. The RSI space indicator is signaling a trend reversal. Perfect condition to run the moon by a robot and take at least 100 points on each trade every 5 minutes until the trend is over. You know a trend is over in case a spike happens and Renko indicator dots changes color. Current trade closed in profit. But a spike happened immediately after the trade closed. That's why I advise you to set small pips take profit, but a bigger lot to avoid unexpected spikes. This strategy requires you to understand the current market trend. Look for strong trends to ride on. Know when to stop auto trading when trend begins to change. For example, when a spike happens, pause trading on that pair until trend is back on track. 3 trades executed. Profit made so far using this strategy is $10. Always set your daily target while using this strategy to avoid overtrading. Make at least 10% of your account daily. You need at least $100 capital account to trade using this strategy. Use lowest lot so that in case of a drawdown, you will be able to hold your trade. Apply extra technical analysis to know when to close a particular trade. After a few days of practicing this strategy, you will get the hang of it. Finding good trade setups will become a second nature. Some days the market is choppy and unpredictable, some days the trend is so straightforward. Make use of good market days. Current semi-auto sell trade on Boom 500 index running in profit. All conditions for a sell trade have been met. Trading results are good as long as you stick to the rules. Spikes happen unexpectedly, so best thing is to close your positions as fast as you can, taking quick profit. Another main disadvantage of the spike is that it does not activate the set stop loss immediately. It activates stop loss after the candle spike has already closed. This is mainly because the amount of data in a spike happens very fast for MetaTrader 5 platform to capture it. In case your position has been hit by the spike, you can add the distance on your next trade or double your lot to recover the loss fast. This is a martingale trade. Do this if you have fully confirmed the direction of the market. Trust your trade instincts. In my 6 years in trading world, I have tested hundreds of trading tools and strategies. No tool or strategy is 100% guaranteed to give you profit daily. Some days the markets goes against your prediction. Learn from the losses and avoid the mistake next time. Practice to develop trading instincts. Like the great Bruce Lee once said, I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times. This strategy and the tools used will be available for free download after 500 likes on both videos. 500 likes on this trend following video and 500 likes on the catching spikes video tutorial. Suggested at the top right side. 100% unlimited lifetime license. If you like this strategy and you would want to try it out, leave your like now. If you cannot wait for the 2 videos to reach 500 likes on YouTube, upgrade to my VIP Premium Members channel, one-time payment to access all my trading tools and strategies posted on Premium channel. At Ultimate Trading Tools, we have a VIP Premium Members channel on Telegram where I give my best trading tools and strategies. Upgrade and access MetaTrader 5 expert advisors such as the Max Profit Robot series for auto trading volatility index and boom crash markets. Based on my trend following logic. Designed for trading on a VPS with no much monitoring required. My new FPA synthetic indices strategy based on my zero-G channel breakout. Over 90% success rate. I doubled my account within 1 month of following the strategy. New signal channel based on my strategy coming out soon on Telegram. MetaTrader 4 Forex expert advisors and binary options indicators. Premium binary bots, derivative auto trading tools and D-bots. Regularly updated. You can upgrade to Premium Members channel via PayPal, Perfect Money, or any cryptocurrency offered in Binance. Payment links and details will be shared on the description below this video. For more info and guidance, contact Ultimate Trader via email or Telegram. details displayed on your screen right now. I always reply to all my messages within 72 hours, at least. More faster on Telegram. VIP Premium membership upgrade is highly recommended to those traders who have benefited while using my free trading tools and strategies. This is because trading CFDs is not suitable for everyone. Trading carries a high level of risk, since leverage can work both to your advantage and disadvantage. All in all, make sure you always have fun while trading. These are my 2 Telegram channels at the moment. Subscribe to get weekly updates of free trading tools and strategies. Be careful of bad people selling my free trading tools. At Ultimate Trading Tools, we offer other services such as developing MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 expert advisors and indicators using online-based developing platforms, creating binary bot and D-bot strategies, and so much more in the trading world. Of course, at a reasonable fee. Visit our website to get more info. This is the first version of this strategy. The indicators and expert advisors used will be updated regularly in case I get a good idea to improve the expert advisor. I will be informing all my subscribers in case of a new update. Download links will also be updated when I post newer versions of the tools. The trading strategy or logic will not change very much. Synthetic index markets are very dynamic. Automated trading tools require regular updating. If you are a programmer and you have any knowledge or idea on how to improve this strategy, your views will be highly appreciated. For those people who would want to get the MQ5 source files of all the tools used on this video, contact Ultimate Trader for more details. Not free though. MQ5 source codes help you to improve the strategy and have 100% ownership rights of the DA or indicator. Back to our boom crash to the moon strategy. The robot has already made $20 profit while following the trend. Of course, you have to monitor your trades in case of a trend change. But when you spot a strong and lasting trend, the DA will take advantage of that. The main lesson is that the trend is your friend, well, until a spike happens. Technical analysis can help you determine points in a market where a spike is likely to happen. For example, using support and resistance indicator to know when the market is reversing. Most spikes happen at the major support and resistance area. In boom index market, only run the moon sell robot when the market price is a few pips away from the resistance levels. Avoid running the DA on the support levels of boom index market. In crash index market, only run the moon buy robot when the market price is a few pips away from the support lines. Avoid running the robot on the resistance level of crash index market. I will also share some of my best MetaTrader 5 support and resistance indicators to be used together with this strategy. Make sure you implement the indicators to improve the accuracy. The strategy used to create this expert advisor is based on the power candle current trend momentum. Since boom and crash markets are made of consecutive buy and sell candlesticks, I designed the DA to open a trade. If the current candle is higher than the previous candle, the DA should open a trade on each candle based on the current momentum. If a spike happens, the DA will avoid taking a trade on the next candle. It's a simple but effective strategy if used correctly. The robot calculates and studies the current candle momentum to determine buy or sell in the next trade. The strategy can be used by both beginner and professional traders. The robot uses quick order extermination technique to close a position very fast in case of a sudden change in price caused by the spike, but it is still affected by a fast spike by at least some few milliseconds. The speed of the spike happens within a flash of a millisecond. The only reliable method that can be used to close trades before a spike is machine learning market intelligent robots, but before then, we close our deals manually or after a spike happens. I'm still figuring out the best way to catch or avoid the boom crash spikes, and soon I will release my ultimate trading strategy for boom and crash. Good things take time. That's all for To the Moon, Boom Crash Trend Following Strategy tutorial. There is also the Catching Spikes version. Make sure you also watch it. Trading session closed with a profit of $30. That would be $900 extra monthly if you are lucky enough to evade the spikes. Practice makes perfect. Thank you for your watch time. Hope that video helped you somehow. Remember to leave a like if you want to get access to these trading tools. They will be available for free download after 500 likes on both video tutorials. Just to boost up my YouTube algorithm and to reach a wider audience. You can also share the video link to your fellow trading communities. Every effort will be highly appreciated, and finally, remember every time you hit that subscribe button, one of your trades will close in the money. I'm out. Till next time, peace.
Talk to you soon. I got work to do.